Hello, how are you? My name is Hernan Arias, a telecommunication engineering student. I am 37 years old. I live in the city of Dos Quebradas. I am the father of the beautiful. I am happily married and really enjoy traveling by bicycle. I work in the coffee region, applying the knowledge acquired. I love learning and being able to help my community. Talking about my daily activities. What activity do you do every day? I work directing an electronic security services company. What do you hear of breakfast? I almost always love eggs for breakfast. Where do you work and how do you get to work? I work as a project leader in electronic security service company. Do you prepare your own lunch? What do you usually have to lunch? Yes, I eat for lunch. What time do you go back home? I go back home at 6 o'clock. What do you do after work in the school? What time do you have dinner? I usually get home at 6 o'clock to study. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to sleep at 12 o'clock at night. What do you do on weekend? Normally, I dedicate myself to studying, walking, and cycling. When you go out, what do you do? Downside, I like to cycle. What is the typical food in your city? In my city, the typical food I think is the paised fry. What are the main celebrations in the city town? The main festivities are the harvest festivities and the Christmas festivities. Thank you very much.